Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a butter chicken gravy recipe. It is so delicious and mouth-watering recipe as you can see, and it is very easy to make it. Just you have to take one pan and then you have to add a little bit of oil and then some of the onion and tomatoes. You can cut in any kind of this shape, and then you have to add this kind of the dry fruits as you can see, that cashews and melon seeds means मगज के बीज, मगज बीज, that is मगज तरी, whatever you can say it. और उसके बाद हम लोग को ये जो ऑनियन एंड टोमेटो है और देन ड्राई फ्रूट्स में हमें ऐड कर देना है, और ज़्यादा सा येलो नहीं होने देना है. यू हैव टू सॉफ्ट, मेक इट सॉफ्ट. It is the secret recipe, so you can make a creamy, creamy gravy from these, and then you can add green chilies as of your wish, as of your taste, so how much you can eat spicy. And this kind of the ready-made masalas I bought from the market, easy chicken masalas I added. And then I have taken a chicken and boneless chicken, उसके अंदर हमने मसाले ऐड कर दिए हैं easy के, and अदरक लहसुन paste also we have add in there. And whatever how much you have the spicy you need, as you can wish, you can add of your choice. And then after I add some kind of the malai fresh cream. If you have a Amul fresh cream, you can add that also. I have a homemade fresh malai. And then after you have to mix it and put it for a marinade at least for 30 minutes. Okay, take a grinder and then मिक्सचर you have to add that of जो हमने पैन में बैटर बनाया था वो उसको हमने इसके अंदर ऐड कर देना है, डाल के इसे अच्छे से फाइनली चॉप कर लेना है मिक्सर में, और फाइन पेस्ट हम लोग का बन के रेडी हो जाएगा. As you can see, this is a thickest gravy. This is the one of the secret recipe. All the restaurants use it. You have to add this kind in a same pan. Take a little bit of the oil, as much of oil you want it, or butter also you can take it. This is the creamy paste we have to add in our pan. This is so much easy recipe. You can try it whenever you want, and whenever at your home some and guest suddenly come into your home and you're thinking what to make it, so this is one of the easiest recipe. You can try it for sure. And I add a little bit some of more oil because I thought it is less, so that's why. देन आफ्टर द मैरिनेटेड जो चिकन हमने जो रखा था साइड में जो बाउल, वो भी हम इसके अंदर ऐड कर देंगे ये पैन के अंदर ही, और उसे हम लोग फिर कुक होने देंगे. और जब उसके ऊपर जो लीड होता है वो हम लोग उसको लीड से कवर कर लेंगे ये जो पैन को. एंड एज मच एज द रिक्वायर्ड वाटर यू कैन ऑल्सो एड इट, डोंट एड मोर वाटर, जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ द वाटर यू हैव टू एड इन दिस पैन. Now salt as per your taste you can add. red chili red chili powder you can add as per your taste, and no need to add any kind of the extras masalas or spices because already we have used the easy masala packet. And then after we had cover the pan with a lid for at least 10 minutes or 20 minutes, then हम लोग का ये रेडी हो गया है. और हमने जो कॉलसे का जो तड़का बोलते हैं वो भी हमने दे दिया था घी अंदर डाल के, एंड इट इज़ रेडी. You can say this is so creamy, and oh my god, it is so delicious. All of me praises me for this, and even I gave it to my relatives. And you can enjoy it with a butter naan or like a tandoori roti. Okay, and this is so tasty and creamiest recipe. You can try it whenever you want to. Thank you, and follow my channel.